What's happening, guys? It's Chris with Globus Gates, and we just finished this beautiful installation for the front of the house. As you can see, we have a nice looking design with the slim bars on top, 100% aluminum framing, heavy duty aluminum frame. That's how we do in Globus Gates. And then the wider planks on the bottom for a little bit more privacy. Slim gaps here is about 1/4 inch, gives you just a little bit amount of visibility through this gate. 5 feet is the total height of this fence, looking nice. That's what makes your house enclosed in the front. You already know in Globus we do 100% aluminum designs and metal designs, by the way. So if you're a designer, contractor, or architect, we got you covered on all possible materials. But our best-selling material right now, as you probably know, is aluminum. Simple factors: no rust, no maintenance. It's gonna last you forever. So you just spend your money one time and one time only, and you forget about the fence forever. So let's do a quick walk around of this job, and I'll show you in specifics what we did in here. Follow me. So here in front of the house, we have a nice walk-in gate with a heavy duty design latch, which can be locked with a key. We always suggest to do heavy duty latches. All our stuff like gates, hinges, everything is heavy duty. We make sure that the job is gonna last you very long time. So we have a gate here, and then the fence panels throughout the whole front of the house. And as you can see, the fence panels, they actually gradually step up. That's how we do the job when there is a slope or elevation change throughout the whole property. If your ground goes up, this is a perfect example how we deal with it. There's another option actually to do the slats diagonally following the slope. I'll show you it in another jobs of ours. But on the big scale, this is the best scenario how to do the jobs with the slopes. And let me show you the side gates. We actually did more secure side gates for this job. What do we have here? So here we have nice, secure, tall gate, which is actually 6 feet tall. And we left this hole on purpose actually just to show you that our locks, they're standard size hole. So whatever locks you get, like keypads, regular deadbolts, levers from all the brands like Schlage, Quickset, you name it, it's gonna work with our gates. That's another advantage of working with Globus. If you're an architect, designer, or a contractor, like I said, your clients can get whatever locks they like, and Globus will obviously install it for you. So check it out, Globus Gates. We do the heaviest gauge aluminum on the market. We do the heaviest duty posts, solid design posts, very nice. And we also have aluminum or plastic caps to your liking. We do the job the best way possible at Globus Gates, and we got you covered from A to Z. Globus Gates.